Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. We're with John at Synapse Auto, and today we are going to talk about the 05 to 07 Ford Power Stroke gauge cluster. Couple questions. One, why would you need a gauge cluster replacement? And two, it looks like there's a lot going on behind here.
Yeah.
What's all that about?
So these instrument clusters, they control a lot more than just your gauges. So you can have issues with your door chimes or your door indicators acting up. You can have backlighting issues. Individual gauges can start sticking or reading improperly. You can have issues with your low fuel light staying on. Like there's a myriad of different issues for one of these instrument cluster failures. So that means that our repair's got to be holistic. We're going to do a top to bottom rebuild of this instrument cluster, replacing all the stepper motors like anybody would, but also digging into the circuitry to repair all of those issues as well.
Are there any key things that stand out that you've seen when you know there's a gauge cluster failure?
For these, the most common issue is going to be either an individual gauge failure or your door indicators acting up, because a lot of that circuitry runs through the instrument cluster.
Gotcha. So they're getting a whole new board on the back of this essentially.
Yeah, so we're going to do full rebuild on this circuit.
When they order the part, is it something that you guys ship right away, or do they have to send their cluster in?
Yeah, so this we actually are able to pre-program. So when you place an order online, you're putting in your VIN and your mileage and engine hours. We'll pre-program that for you, so you're plug and play with the vehicle and get you back up on the road.
Awesome. Well, if you guys are looking for a new cluster or any of those symptoms seem like something's going on in your truck, you can click the link in the bio or come visit us at dieselpowerproducts.com.